So during admission, we have a lot of students from varied background come to us. Some are really intelligent, they might have scored 95% in their 10. Some are weak in their studies and they might have scored below 60% as well. So major issue is the behavioral issue. So behavioral issue can be tackled. So that's why we don't judge based on the percentage. Student might be willing to study a lot, but with a proper guidance, he might score really well. So we don't differentiate in Ardent based on your percentage. As far as weak students are concerned, what we do is we take their separate sessions if required. We push them with more practice questions. We make them sit in extra papers. That is how we groom them to good marks. What we also do is we also try and keep a lot of pep talks, motivation for these kind of students. It really helps in building their confidence towards the board exams.